So that concludes the entire... Hello guys, this is Ethan. And each Bitcoin lottery miner about the size of a fingertip has the chance to mine a reward of 3 full Bitcoins every 10 minutes. And based on the current price of 1 Bitcoin, that amounts to a $354,000 reward. So, how's this magical little device which could help you achieve financial freedom made? Today, we are going to visit a factory in Shanghai that specializes in producing Bitcoin lottery machines to see the manufacturing process of JingleMiner Lottery Mini and understand how a qualified Bitcoin lottery machine produced. And here we go. First, there's a dress code for anyone entering the factory, and they must pass through this dust removal room to ensure a dust-free environment inside the factory. And that includes the boss and his girlfriend. And now, I will guide you through the process step by step. Initially, we prepare a circuit board, and it's 8 of them combined together. And first, they will enter this printer to have the solder paste applied. And the purpose of the solder paste is to ensure that all the components adhere well to the main board. And then the board is transported to this printer, where essential components, including this raised silver patches, are printed at this 2 printer. And afterward, the most surgical components, the chips, are printed inside of this printer. For any Bitcoin lottery machine, the greater the chip's computing power, the higher the chance of winning. So the chip is crucial. And the JingleMiner Lottery Mini we're producing right now has a chip computing power of 300 kilohash, providing excellent and stable performance. Returning to the assembly process, all components are applied in order from smallest to largest, beginning with the solder paste, and then the patches, and then the chips. And following that, the assembly enters this massive machine, the reflow soldering machine. The machine's high temperature settings allow the entire mainboard to be securely adhered with a specific temperature from front to the back inside the machine, and reaching a maximum of 482 degrees. There are also dedicated personnel who make micro adjustments based on each mainboard and the indoor temperature. And the boards that pass through the high temperature process go through an AOI inspection here, and staff promptly identify errors, motions, or inversions on the mainboard, which means wrongly printed, missing, or incorrectly oriented components. And if a problematic board is found and the root cause is immediately identified and overall process adjusted accordingly. We reach the sampling inspection phase. Yes, there are multiple rounds of inspections throughout the process to ensure that the machine handed to the customer is of the highest quality we can achieve. And after passing the sampling inspection, we move to the manual assembly phase, where our skilled and professional and good-looking staff manually assemble components that machinery cannot install, such as this thing. And in the next step, the assembled mainboard passes through this large-scale wave soldering machine, which also utilizes high temperature up to 482 degrees. So in simple terms, it melts the silver pins at high temperatures and allowing the components to better merge with the mainboard. Like the reflow soldering machine, the wave soldering machine has specific temperature curves set from front to the back and does not just heat up to 482 degrees directly. And at this stage, the machine can function actually, though it's not fully finished. Then skilled technicians will first perform a basic power on test to check that everything works properly. And after it passes this test, the final assembly will be done manually, and including adding casing and display screen and other components. After the finished product is assembled, it undergoes a unified round of operational testing where hundreds of miners are connected to a mining pool and to run for 24 hours to ensure each one meets the standard and leaves no room for customer complaints. What I have described is a simplified overview, but believe me, the actual production is more complex and refined than I have described. But you don't need to worry, we will handle this work. And if you're unsure about how to purchase our product, please feel free to visit our official website. And we are a leading global supplier of crypto mining hardwares and related services. You can trust us with confidence. And I am Ethan. I will see you next time.